August is National Multi-Ethnic Donor Awareness Month, and Louisiana Organ Procurement Agency, or LOPA, recognizes the gap between the need for organ transplants and the supply of donated organs in Louisiana's multi-ethnic communities is of particular concern.
Lentine Fields spent decades caring for others. As a nurse, as a lieutenant colonel in the U.S. Air Force, and as a wife to Senior Master Sergeant Stacy Fields. But on March 19, 2019, one day after her birthday, she lost her husband and her life was forever changed.
He was on his job and got a call that, hey, something's going on with him. They brought him over to the clinic, and then we immediately transported him over to LSU. Did good for 9 days, and then all of a sudden that brain aneurysm, he was illegally, brain dead.
She let their children make the decision if Stacy's organs would be donated.
He was on a ventilator, so in order to donate organs, you have to be on the ventilator. He was able to donate heart, lungs, and kidneys.
Now Lentine partners with LOPA, the Louisiana Organ Procurement Agency, to help others understand the importance of saying yes to donation, especially in communities where the need is greatest.
Before, I never worked that close with them, but now I really work close with them, going out, telling my story, not only telling my story, but letting people know it is a great thing.
Last year, over 35% of all Louisiana donors, living and deceased, were heroes of color. More than 65% of the transplant waiting list is multi-ethnic, higher than the national average of 60%. Shawnee Williams is a LOPA community educator and multi-ethnic outreach specialist, and she says the myths and misinformation around organ donation often prevent families from saying yes to donation, especially in communities of color.
Just because you have the heart on your license doesn't mean that you're automatically going to help save somebody.
13 people die each day waiting for an organ transplant. Lentine says telling her story isn't always easy, but it's necessary.
I enjoy letting people know that it is a benefit, because I know people that are now waiting on organs. They're on the list. They just can't be matched. If you can give, it's better to give than receive, and that's not only just money, clothes, and everything. It could be parts of your body, which helps.
You'll have the chance to hear from Lentine Fields' story at the Health is Wealth event. That's happening Wednesday from 11 to 12 at the A.B. Palmer Community Center. That's at 547 East 79th Street in Shreveport. And at the event, you can also expect health screenings, guest panelists, where you'll hear from Linda Hall, a retired transplant nurse, Lentine Fields, donor wife that we just heard from, and Shreveport Fire Department representatives. Local health and wellness vendors, food and drinks, and giveaways and door prizes will also be a part of the event. To learn more and to register to become an organ donor, visit our website, ktbs.com.